Hi everyone, welcome back to my challenge. So today we have entry number 4 for my birthday challenge. And to enter, all you have to do is send me an ATC or just a card, and just if things you want to share, if you want to share your YouTube channel, Instagram channel, any sort of your favorite things, like your favorite color, any sort of thing like that. And then the second item is just your choice, crafter's choice. Send me something that you love or something that you love to make. Be a visible subscriber on YouTube, 18 years or older, and you just got to get it to the post office by the 31st of December. And I might be extending this just with the holidays and how the mail has been crazy. So I may extend it to like through the first week of January, but I'll do a separate post and let you all know about that. And here's the prizes, $75 and $50. All right, so let's get into this. So this is entry number 4. This is Penny's Crafty Creations. I'm so excited. And I love that she put a mushroom on here because I love mushrooms. So let's take a look at what she sent in. Oh my gosh, look at that beautiful stamp. That is so cute. I love images of squirrels and I love birds. So this is really cute. I love it. I love this card. Okay, so she's enjoyed crafting for my challenge. Happy birthday. Hope you have a wonderful birthday. Oh, and she left the card blank for me to use. I love that. Thank you so much. Thanks, Penny. Oh, and then she gave me a couple extra. Oh, that's so fun because I do love this image. It's so cute. And then here is, yeah, so here's her ATC card. And I love this card. It's so cute. And I like that it's winter themed. Penny's Crafty Creations. So there's her shop. Y'all can stop and screenshot it. So here's all her socials right here. Her P.O. box. I love this. I love this. This is so cool. Colors burgundy and sunset orange. I love it. All right, so give her a follow, you all. So thank you so much, Penny, for your entry, and good luck to you. And yeah, remember, it's not too late to enter if y'all want to enter. And let me know if you've sent me something. I'll check my P.O. box, but sometimes it takes me a few days to go check it. So if you've sent me something, then just let me know. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video.